thin eyebrows. But
Grow
what do you say?
it. Grow it.
You know? You're looking very nice, by the way.
Thank you. No, my eyebrows are also grown completely. See?
But yours, too, it always looks nice. I always liked your eyebrows. मेरे बहुत पतले थे.
Thank you.
अभी थोड़ा it's growing
But
out.
so करता है this way. It looks nice.
है ना?
You
Thicker is
look good
looking
with thin
nice.
eyebrows. Thicker will also look nice. And you look nice with everything.
Yeah. This is like my
Yeah.
longest. I miss going to the set sometimes.
You
And
miss?
I miss going to the set sometimes and our singing
I
group.
miss my makeup room. Yeah, mine and Naira's makeup room was Ajbaji mein. We used to like spend the
Listen
time.
to the songs. यहाँ से गाना बजाते थे और अपने रूम से नाचते थे. Yo, louder! I can hear that. Get it louder. So, who have you been in touch with most from our team, from our DD team? Advik, of course, and who else?
You? बस
पारुल?
यही समझ ले. पारुल और करण से भी बात होती है मेरी. पारुल, करण, you, अद्वैत, कुशाग्र.
Yeah. मेरी से वो कभी कभी अद्विक से होती है. पारुल से ऑलमोस्ट ऑल्टरनेट डेज अपने इसमें इंस्टा पे हो जाती है. रिद्धिमा ऑल्सो टू सम एक्सटेंट. बाकी आई डोंट नो. नेहा समटाइम्स. वही जब अद्विक से होती है. एंड यू ऑल्सो समटाइम्स. और बता हाउस लाइफ. Otherwise,
Life
what
is
plans?
great.
What plans
After
after quarantine?
I really wanted to travel. I wanted to go to Himachal and Ladakh. So I think I'll just run to Ladakh or Himachal. Naira, I can't like.
I wanted to go to Maldives. I might go to Goa. Let's see. Just to chill, rejuvenate, and anyways, my Goa trip is pending this year.
You know, I've never enjoyed Goa so much.
You've been very often?
Not my life.
No.
3-4 times. But I didn't I never explored the beach side of Goa.
You should.
So I think maybe that's why.
You should.
But the food. I like Goa for food.
No.
Seafood
साथ में चलते हैं. Let's just all of us go. Go for 3-4 days and come back. Chill and come back.
चलो.
बीच पे जाते हैं. Campfire करते हैं. Campfire I don't know करते हैं कि नहीं पता.
Campfire वो यहाँ नहीं कर पाएंगे. But there are proper places for camping and trekking and all of that.
I've never done.
Or Jim Corbett is also a nice option. Just in case. Jim Corbett would be something different.
Yeah. Makes sense. Let's try that.
यार दिल्ली बहुत दूर है. अभी plans मत बनाओ.
दिल्ली नहीं अभी गोवा का ही पहले खत्म करते हैं.
हाँ.
उसके बाद दूसरा सोचते हैं. So दृष्टि क्या लिया है तुमने शो से अपने लाइफ में?
काफी सारे valuable friends. I've taken a lot of life lessons. I've taken a lot of lessons on my acting skills, and I've got the right mentors and the right people. I have gotten a little bit sense of what is right and what is wrong and what is smart and wise. So yeah, I've learned quite from
anything in particular you've learned from people? Particular things from different people?
I have learned to be more wise. I have
from any particular person?
Advik. I have learned to be more optimistic from you.
Yeah.
I have learned to be more disciplined.
You always know.
Thank you. But there's always room for improvement.
Yeah. I was telling the other day that there has been times where I used to mentally give up because of the stressful schedule. But I've always seen you wake up and just go to the set, you know? Even if it's a You have always done that, and I'm like, oh my god, this girl's got some dedication. Seriously, guys, I have not seen so much dedication in any actor in my entire career. This one's like that. I always used to think that I'm like that, but she's 2 steps ahead of me. Any day, anytime.
Thank you.
And that's the best quality I have taken from
But
you.
I really enjoyed shooting for Divya. When you enjoy your work, when you love doing something, I think it automatically comes within. Yeah, there were times where I was so tired, so exhausted. But this is one good thing about discipline, that once you follow the discipline, it will grow over you. Even at times where you do not want to get out of the bed, or there were times where I just wanted to like snooze the alarm or get a little late. But I always thought, itna din up kiya hai, so, you should like just try to maintain it. I really want to make it a quality. This should be one of the qualities that I have. So, yeah.
Discipline is indeed the best quality any actor should be having, because that shows respect towards the makers. And I have different experiences, so I've worked differently, but this one quality of yours I have tried to imbibe in me.
Nice. I will decide whether you're imbibing it well or not. After quarantine, I'll give you a time. If you don't reach on time, Naira.
No, but I have changed. I do come on time. You know why? Because I have set my...
Where are you coming on time? You're coming on time on live.
At least I started that.
It's good to start with. I'll test what you've learned after the quarantine.
No, I will desperately come on time, because I really want to... even I'm enjoying the space, but I do want to jump on a set after my mini vacation. I miss working that way.
Even I want to start working. But inshallah, sooner or later, we all will start working. For now, let's just hope that this entire thing gets over. This pandemic is over. Everybody is fine. Everybody is safe. और एक बार चीजें ठीक हो जाए, फिर उसके बाद I think काम हम शुरू कर सकते हैं. I hope everybody gets back to their normal life, to the way your life was.
You know what? You have got some really beautiful books as gifts. Anything you've learned that you want to share?
I have this book. Right now it's like I've kept it inside. It's called The Night Tales.
Wow.
So it's a fairy tale. It's basically a book about magic, and there are 9 different stories and really beautiful. You also wanted that book.
I think I saw it and I said that even I want to read.
Yes, it has pictures also on it.
Wow.
Nice, interesting book. I've read that, and I'm reading a book called Ambitious.
Ambitious, okay. What is that? It's a journey of a person?
It's basically about a girl who tells who's sharing her personal experience about how you should be, or how your work ethics should be, how other people treat you, and how you should take their... there are a lot of things. Like, I've just started. But I think once I get done with GOT, I'll read a little more.
There's some hardcore request of you to be active on social media, because that's the only way people are getting to see you. So work on that.
Like
just
go
keep
live.
coming. Go live, post a picture, post stories, apart from your memes that you of course do. Show your face. I love your memes. That's any night, any time. Okay, Sana, what is that?
Entertaining.
And we follow almost the same pages. Wait, let me check some questions. There's some 96 questions. Oh my god. Okay, let me check. Sana, your favorite...
You both come to Delhi. Yes, Nimish. Sure.
What's your favorite color, Sana?
I
Black.
Like wearing anything and everything that suits me. White, black, grey, pink, red, whatever. But I really like white and grey. White and black.
I've seen you a lot in black.
Yeah.
Please sing a song, Sana and Naira Di. Oh my god.
क्या कान अपने खराब करने हैं अभी?
Oh my God. Take me with you to Maldives. अरे बाप रे.
हाँ, जरूर.
Which college were you in?
I was in MMK.
Okay. You both have very nice noses. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sana, you got a nice nose. We both got good noses. Okay. Let's see something interesting. Have you ever come to Dehradun?
You? I have never.
No. I've never
Me
been.
neither.
Same here. Okay. Do you have any problems facing in lockdown?
Yeah, I wanted to get a new mattress. That is not happening. I wanted to get a waffle maker. That is not happening. I wanted to replace my Wi-Fi, internet Wi-Fi. That is not going to happen.
Damn
Yeah, we had to shift our house this month, but that is not going to happen. So yeah, there are a lot of small inconveniences, but I'm really glad that right now we have a roof. We have shelter, we have food to survive. So yeah, I think I'll just be grateful about that rather than complaining about what I don't have.
Okay, what's the future role you would like to play?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I can play a good undercover agent.
Woo! I've been wanting to play something in uniform, maybe lawyer or a doctor or whatever, naval officer. Okay, somebody is asking, Bish Akka 21 is asking your journey in Splitsvilla.
Everybody has seen my journey in Splitsvilla. It has been great. That was the first time I faced camera, and I learned a lot of things, like how it is in front of the camera. Then there's a process called editing, and I think after Splitsvilla, I understood what is the difference between what they show and what happens behind the camera. Like, there's a lot that they shoot and they edit, and then they put the after editing, they put the show on air. So, that was the first time I understood how TV works.
Wow.
And my journey was fine. It was good.
And you looked very cute that time.
Yeah, I was like really healthy.
Yeah.
Chubby.
I
think that was the
healthiest I've seen, yeah.
Yeah.
True. Okay, Sana Sayed, my love, asked, which is the yummiest food we both ate together?
Together? You remember?
Yeah.
Jai Jawan. That prawn was really nice.
Where you were locked on. You were locked.
Okay.
Sana was locked in the bathroom.
I was not locked. Actually, I had to push and I was pulling. And and I was knocking it, and I told Karan that, just open the door, and he just pushed it.
He had put up a story a month ago, I think, regarding that.
Yes.
Yeah, even I had seen that. Okay, which is the most annoying thing for you?
About?
Anything.
I get annoyed at many things.
Like the most annoying?
Lying and acting brand new. I don't like people who, act very brand new, and then anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I think what is annoying? My internet is annoying.
Right now, that, even mine.
My
Okay.
internet speed is annoying.
What's the best thing you like about me?
About you? You're very optimistic. Very optimistic. Even if you tell Naira na kya kar diya, and she will take it as a compliment. I really like that about Naira. And Naira, you have a lot of patience. Like, I think you are the only person who does not have an action, like a reaction to an action. I have seen, we've had I have seen where, sometimes even if someone says something to Naira or does something that she might not like, she will never react. she'll just like, pretend like this didn't happen on me. She'll just smile and she'll take it very nicely, very gracefully, and she'll move on and she'll never even remove the topic. I think this is what
But
I
that has
really
always
like about you.
worked against me. Always.
No,
Always worked
no,
against
but
me.
this attitude is, it's a good attitude to deal with everybody. Generally, लोगों
Yeah.
के साथ ऐसे ही व्यवहार करना चाहिए.
Huh. You know, when people matter, you don't want to create. Or
Huh.
maybe in a nicer
Correct.
way, you portray what you want to say.
Right.
Okay, let's go to the next question. Who is your
Meera
favorite
says,
person?
Sana Sayyed fan club represents. Shut up, Meera.
What? Mira's your friend?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, your next question is, who's your favorite person?
Meera, I will dance when this quarantine gets over. I'll come to your house and we'll dance.
I'll also come.
Yeah.
Is Mira your favorite person?
Meera? What?
Is she your favorite person?
Yes, she's a close friend and she's very talented.
Ooh.
Yes.
Okay. What is your biggest prank on somebody?
I don't remember. I'm not good at pranks.
You're like me. Okay. Somebody asked me. Vanshika asked me, "Do you talk to Mishkat?"
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I messaged him once. He did not reply only.
चलो उसको मारते पकड़ के.
नहीं यार, it's okay. I understand.
Yeah. Okay. Then there is a question for you. Which is the favorite scene of both of us together and Didi you really liked?
There are so many scenes,
Many
scenes.
actually.
I really liked the scene where, in season 1 where you get to know that your husband is a monkey man, and then you have that breakdown scene. I think that was a nice scene. Then the scene,
number one.
holy scene where we realize they're sisters. That is really nice. Then there are a lot of scenes, yeah.
You know, I
enjoyed
like,
almost all the scenes.
and I also like the one where I jumped into the hell and you came after me.
Oh,
Your
the
dad
scene.
scene. Oh my God, you were
It just
so good
happened
in it.
very quickly. We all decided that, this cannot be done again and again. Let's just finish it off at once.
Let's just give the best and finish it off. You were really good in that. I had tears. And also,
Thank
where
you.
in one swimming pool scene, you were getting pulled. Pisachni was trying to pull you, and you were crying for your mother and your sister. You were thinking about it.
Yeah, yes.
That
that
was-
start के episode में. My first encounter with Pishakti.
Very good. I still remember it, like, the way you portrayed your emotions. Please
Thank
say
you.
Yuvraj. Please say Yuvraj is your brother.
Huh?
Who is Yuvraj?
Your brother?
Yeah, somebody said Yuvraj is Yuvraj your brother. Please say Yuvraj is your brother. Okay. Little Miss Sparkle asked, "Do you talk to Karan?" No, she already
Tell me.
answered. She already does. Yeah.
No, the question's for you.
No, for you.
Acha. What's for you?
Mine? No, it's not for me.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Next question. What's your
Next
favorite
question.
food?
Asian. I love eating Asian food. I love
Sushi,
eating
sushi.
Asian food.
Sushi. Let's go sushi. Okay, Nimish is asking, do you miss Nimish?
No, Nimish.
Break his heart. Break it into pieces. Damn it.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Job
आपको
Jawan. Job Jawan is awesome. Acha, Jai Jawan is awesome. Nimish.
Yeah.
His typos is Jab Jawan is awesome. हमने किसकी बात कर रहे हैं?
आपको हमेशा अपने फैंस के लिए कूल रहना पड़ता है, तो आप अपने इमोशंस को कैसे मैनेज करती हो?
बताओ.
मैं स्माइल
बोलो,
करती
बोलो.
हूँ यार. मैं हमेशा सिर्फ स्माइल
पता
करती
यार नायरा क्या करती है.
हूँ. But asked about you.
अच्छा, मैं आजकल बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मतलब अगर मुझे किसी कोई चीज बाय मीरा सी सो मतलब आई एम ट्राइंग कि अगर मुझे कभी गुस्सा आ जाए या कोई चीज से मैं अग्री नहीं करूं या मुझे कोई चीज बुरी लग जाए, तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं फनी रिप्लाई देकर उस बात को टाल दूं। बट मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं भी नायरा की तरह इग्नोर करना सीखूं।
That's the best thing. I don't
Yeah.
ignore, I evade it. रहता है दिल में, बाद में निकालती हूँ जब जरूरत होती है. So, do you have a boyfriend? Is somebody asking about you?
No.
हमारा क्या होगा सना?
होगा यार, कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो लिखा ही होगा।
कोई तो लिखा ही होगा for sure.
हाँ।
Okay. Which time do you both was imbalance? Huh? Which time you both was imbalance? ये क्या है?
मतलब जैसे हमारे बीच में कभी झगड़ा हुआ होगा या कुछ ऐसा पूछने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। इम्बैलेंस क्या हो सकता है? अगर ऐसे है तो हमारे बीच कभी झगड़े तो हुए नहीं है। और एक आध बार अगर मुझे कहीं लगा होगा कि काम को लेकर सिर्फ कि शायद ये ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए या मुझे इनकन्वीनियंस हो रहा है या नायरा को इनकन्वीनियंस हो रहा है, तो हमने हमेशा एक दूसरे से बात करके बोल दिया है वो, एंड वी डोंट फील बैड अबाउट इट, वी नेवर फेल्ट बैड।
We actually always discussed कि I'm gonna play like this, you're gonna play like this. Is there anything you want to add? Is there anything I want to add?
But apart from work, हम कभी never never disagreed.
You know what? The point is we understand each other's minds so well that we know when to talk, when to stop, and what not to touch.
Satabdi Banerjee. I really like your name, Satabdi.
Yeah.
Satabdi. Nice.
So that's one thing I really like. So, and dono mal. Mohit, out.
कौन?
Some Mohit. दोनों माल.
माल.
बहुत माल दिख रहे तुम लोगों को. अच्छा, Nims really I always spoke about Sana's dedication. Yeah.
What? Nims?
Nims is saying that Naira did not. Okay, along with discipline, Sana has very beautiful smile. Nims is writing for you.
थैंक यू निवेश. यार तू इतना स्वीट बनेगा तो अभी तो दिल्ली आके तुझे मिलना ही पड़ेगा.
चल जाके आते हैं.
Yeah. I don't mind actually. You know, some of my friends are in Delhi and but मुझे पता है जैसे क्वारंटाइन खत्म होगा वो बॉम्बे आ जाएंगे तो हम दिल्ली जाकर ठीक है जा ही सकते हैं. How would why no reply to me? Because Nimish, I cannot see your questions. Your questions only Naira can see.
Yeah. No, it's coming on the comment section, which even you can see.
This is India. Please respect your language. You're right.
What happened?
थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात कर लेते हैं. Sorry, हम जनरली ऐसे ही एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं तो इसीलिए फ्लो में ऐसे बाकी. It's not like we don't respect our language or our country. ये हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि हम भारतीय हैं और हमारी मातृभाषा हिंदी है और हमें हिंदी में ही काम करता है. थैंक यू.
ओके.
बट ये लाइव सेशन है तो इसमें लोग ज्यादातर जैसे एक दूसरे से नॉर्मली बात करते हैं, हमने सोचा हम वैसे ही बात करेंगे. बट ओके, यू आर राइट. लेट्स टॉक.
I think we should be the way we are क्योंकि इंग्लिश वैसे भी इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज है और हमारी फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज भी हम लोग वही सीखते हैं. हिंदी नेशनल लैंग्वेज है जो हमें बात करनी आती है. सो इट्स रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ बोथ. वी स्पीक बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस. एनीवे, सदा टेल मी व्हाई
ना बड़ी हो गई शुक्र है सगल.
तुझे मेरे से प्यार कैसे हुआ?
मुझे तेरे से प्यार कैसे हुआ? जब तूने अपना वो पहले बार जो घर से सूप बना के लाया था ना, बस तभी तूने मेरा दिल ले लिया था.
मुझे You know what guys, मैं
जिंदगी में कभी वो
लिसन उसी की वजह से मेरा फिगर बना हुआ रहता था. I maintained for quite a long time. All thanks to that soup.
You don't need to maintain. You know, you sometimes, I don't know. Zabardasti, I need to maintain. You are maintained, very well maintained. Nothing you eating junk food. मैंने तुमको कचरा खाते हुए भी देखा है, but you don't put on weight यार. तुम्हारा जरा भी वेट नहीं बढ़ता है. ऐसे तुम्हें बस हमारा दिमाग में चल रहा होता है कि अरे वैसे हो रहा है, वैसे हो रहा है.
Yeah,
बट वो सूप तो मैं हमेशा याद रखूंगी नायरा.
तुझे मैं पिलाऊंगी. Okay, somebody is asking you to come to. Okay, who is your inspiration, Sana?
बहुत सारे.
सबसे बेहतर, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कौन है?
जिन्हें देख के मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि काम करना चाहिए तो ऐसे करना चाहिए.
एंड क्या तू नागिन बनेगी अगर ऑफर मिला तो?
हाँ मिल गई.
ओके, एक और क्वेश्चन किसी ने पूछा है, तुम शादी कब कर रही हो बबुआ?
बताओ नायरा, कब करोगी तुम शादी?
एक ही मंडप सेटअप करते हैं, दोनों ढूंढते हैं और कर लेते हैं चुपचाप.
ये भी कर सकता है. मुझे तो कोई
ढूंढ तो सही, पहले ढूंढ तो सही कि कोई मेरे लिए. मैं तेरे लिए ढूंढती हूँ, तू मेरे लिए ढूंढ.
यार मेरे लिए तो छोड़ ही दे अभी, अपने आप ही हो जाएगा.
Okay, let me see some more. और 2-3 questions देख के अपन
just logging ourselves, work from home. या और मुझे उन लोगों के लिए सच में बहुत बुरा लग रहा है जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम एक्चुअली कर रहे हैं. मेरे काफी सारे दोस्त हैं जिनका काम बढ़ गया है घर पे बैठे बैठे. चुप कर सगल. सॉरी. तो yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying working from home.
Yeah. Oh my God, I'm getting such weird questions right now. I can't even read them out.
Mr. शेरगिल को लाइव लाओ. Mr. शेरगिल.
कौन से वाले शेरगिल को लाइव लाओ?
Mr. शेरगिल को.
Wait, अच्छा यो मिस्टर शेरगिल. हमारा पूरा खानदानी शेरगिल है.
सब शेरगिल.
हम लोग 3 जन को नहीं ला सकते ना?
I don't know यार, that day we tried पर ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं. मतलब मैं वरुण और अद्विक जाने वाली थी राइट, बट ऐसे हुआ नहीं. सागर चावला I left.
You left? Why did you leave? Reached Lonavala also. How the hell did he go to Lonavala?
He was living in Lonavala with his parents. I mean with his family, his father and बीवी and all. तो उनका कुछ तो वो पुणे से लोनावला आया. Okay. और बता यार नायरा.
कुछ नहीं रे, अभी मैं अभी कुछ वीडियोस बनाऊंगी बैठ के. आज सुबह से मैं बस लेटी थी. I was not feeling like doing anything. Just one of those low days. But otherwise I've been very busy, doing something or the other. वो साफ सफाई तो कर ही रही हूँ. Plus I'm making videos on social issues. You saw my पुलिस वाला video?
पुलिस वाला वीडियो?
हाँ. It's there on my IGTV. So I made that. और अभी दूसरा भी कुछ बना रही हूँ. किसके कमेंट देख के स्माइल कर रही है?
I am just smiling at the comments that Nimisha, Meera, Sagar, Sagal, all these guys are commenting. अपने दोस्तों के कमेंट सुनकर हंसी फुटती है ना, इसलिए.
निम्स का तो नॉन स्टॉप आ रहा है. नॉन स्टॉप ही इज राइटिंग समथिंग. हम दोनों को बिग बॉस में होना चाहिए. ओके.
अच्छा.
तुझे पता है मेरे ऊपर अफवाह फैली थी कि मैं डीडी छोड़ रही हूँ बिग बॉस के लिए. You remember?
रूमर्स तो किसी भी चीज की होती है.
अच्छा, जब क्वारंटाइन खत्म होगा तू मेरे लिए क्या बनाएगी?
मैं जो तू बोल, दाल मखनी बनाऊंगी. आई रियली मेक नाइस दाल मखनी. ये खत्म होगा तो फिर बहुत सारा काम भी होगा यार करने के करते. You can also like come over and help me.
Yeah.
हाँ तो you.
I anyways decided to help you in shifting and I mean so cute. One of my pillows at Advik's place.
हाय हाय,
बोल रहा था मंकी मैन।
क्या बोल रहा था?
निमिष।
मंकी मैन?
हाँ, निमिष ने मंकी मैन लॉल लिखा है। आई डोंट नो व्हाई।
आई थिंक वो पुराना, हम जब बात कर रहे थे तभी का कमेंट होगा, जब मैंने
हाँ।
बोला था अबाउट दैट सीन।
या सना, आर यू इन कांटेक्ट
अद्विक
विद
से,
उत्कर्ष?
हाँ।
अद्विक is here?
नहीं, हाँ, अद्विक इज हियर।
ए अद्दू, डैडी कहाँ है तू? अद्दू? Okay, Sana, what's this pet name you've kept for me?
और
For me, what is the?
I call her Bholi Bangalan. It's not a pet name, but what are you guys talking about? Advik is asking.
We are
Question
talking.
answer.
Yeah, just general stuff. हम लोग लाइव बहुत टाइम से नहीं आए हैं, ऊपर से फैंस के कमेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं, उनके
बहुत
क्वेश्चन
टाइम
आंसर कर रहे हैं.
से
I swear. Yeah, this is our second or third live together, no? No, not live. That was our normal
This is my
video.
second live. हाँ, हमने नॉर्मल व्हाट्सएप पे बात की थी.
हाँ, लाइव हम लोग शायद फर्स्ट टाइम ही आए हैं आफ्टर डीडी.
आज बहुत तैयार हुई है सना. कहाँ से मैं तुझे तैयार दिख रहा? देख, चुप कर.
अद्वैत यार, आजा तू भी लाइव हमारे साथ अगर पॉसिबल है तो. सेंड मी अ रिक्वेस्ट, ट्राई इट.
हाँ.
Wow, no reply to you. Shut up, Nimish. Who is the most शरारती person in दिव्या दृष्टि?
सभी है, सबने बड़ी मस्तियाँ की है.
सबसे बदमाश कौन है लेकिन?
सबसे बदमाश पता नहीं.
Okay.
तू बता.
Guys, मुझे तो लगता है
क्या? What
पता
do
नहीं
you
सबसे
think?
बदमाश. I don't know. We all were very naughty once upon a time. उसके बाद हम थोड़े बड़े हो गए.
हाँ.
है ना? Initial days में हम चारों ही बहुत naughty थे.
हम तो एंड तक मस्तियाँ करते थे और डांटते थे.
Yeah.
You guys ignoring me. Of course. How can we ignore you, Advait?
Adhu!
I'm gonna chill and have a ball now. Okay, Sagar. I hope you enjoy with your family. Crystal and Shadows. Mini is here. Only 2 people can do live. Thank you, Mini.
Oh, okay. Sana, have you ever gone to Kolkata?
नहीं. Never.
Okay. सना दी, अद्विक सर एंड करण सर में सबसे ज्यादा किसने परेशान किया है नायरा दी को?
करण.
हम इक्वली करता था हम लोगों. ओके.
अपनी प्राइवेट गॉसिप पर्सनल चैट पे करो. मेरे लिए कभी नहीं बनाया दाल. ऑफ कोर्स आंटी, तेरे लिए दाल चिकन सब बनाऊंगी यार. ये क्वारंटाइन खत्म होने दे.
Nimish is asking, Sana, how do you deal with anger?
All my friends. Sorry. How do I deal with anger?
Yeah.
I don't know. I am very honest person. अगर मुझे कोई चीज बुरी लगती है तो मैं बोल देती हूँ जो भी है मेरे दिमाग में जा रहा है. बट वो सही तरीका भी नहीं है डील करने का गुस्से से. मैंने बताया ना, मुझे नायरा की तरह डील करना है.
Okay, what's your scariest thing? What is the thing that scares you the most?
That scares me the most. Changes. Change. Change scares me. Height scares me. Speed scares me.
Do you get scared of people?
Sometimes.
I think you can deal with anybody, honestly. You have that in you.
Yeah? Do you think so?
Because you know what? I believe you observe and you gauge the energy. You've always been neutral. It's just that you reciprocate the way a person is towards you. है ना?
Yes.
So you can deal. So I know that you can deal with any situation, any problem. You know how to do it. That way you're very matured deep inside.
Hi, Bhavini.
Okay.
Love you too.
Who's your latest crush?
Me?
Yeah.
You know, if I had to be so vocal about it, I would have like just messaged it. But I don't like that.
You don't have a crush.
I
Oh my
had
God.
long back,
Huh.
but that crush crashed.
Oops. Okay, what is something you guys like about you both relationship? Okay, what do we like the most about our relationship?
Our relationship.
Yeah.
शुरू करो.
मुझे लगता है हमारा mindset and transparency. That is first. Then you get my jokes, you get my humor, and that's the reason we get along on the same page. Second, and thirdly, I love your nature. What about you?
मुझे एक तो नायरा का सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी लगता है कि हमेशा हंसती रहती है. अच्छा बोलो, बुरा बोलो, गुस्सा कर लो, हंसती रहती है. दिस इज वन थिंग आई रियली लाइक अबाउट हर. बहुत ही ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है नायरा. और हमारा जो लेवल का अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, आई थिंक वो मुझे बहुत कंफर्टेबल फील कराता है. आई कैन टेल हर एनीथिंग.
Yeah.
And she
And
can
same
help me
with
get away with it.
Yeah, because I get your point, because I just know it. There are so many incidents where we have spoken the same thing together. We have cracked the
Hi,
same joke together
Bhavini. Love you too.
so many times.
Yeah.
है ना?
हमने इतनी जोक्स क्रैक किए और इतनी सारे इनसाइड जोक्स है हमारे जो लोगों को पता भी नहीं होगा.
पता नहीं चले तो अच्छा है.
हाँ.
मॉरिशस जाने का कोई प्लान है?
यार ऐसे सवाल मत पूछो. अभी मैं आई डोंट थिंक ये साल तो बाहर जाएंगे और अगले साल भी. आई डोंट नो. अभी तो खुद सिर्फ इंडिया में घूमने का प्लान है.
Yeah. Okay. Do you think that you two look like real sisters?
Yeah, a lot of people say that हम में काफी resemblance है.
हाँ. In fact, when I
So-
see pictures, one glance I feel it's me. कितने बार ऐसा हुआ है? एक glance I'm like, ये मैं हूँ. Okay, it's Sana.
लोग मुझे ऐसे ही पारुल के लिए भी कहते हैं और इशनीत के लिए भी कहते हैं.
Huh?
पारुल नॉट आ पारुल.
Not our Parul. Your
Other friend, yeah.
Advik is asking, what are you guys talking about? अरे बाबा हम लोग
उसने नीचे एक और चीज लिखी है. कहते हैं अपनी पर्सनल गॉसिप अपनी आपस की गॉसिप प्राइवेट चैट पे करो.
अच्छा अद्विक तू हमें क्वेश्चंस पूछ. Let's see.
नहीं अद्विक नहीं पूछ सकता. मुझे अद्विक के सवाल के जवाब नहीं देने.
खतरनाक सवाल पूछेगा.
हाँ. सना, व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट मूवी एंड सॉन्ग? मेरी फेवरेट मूवी तो ऑल ओल्ड मूवीज लाइक कुछ कुछ होता है, हम साथ साथ है. आई रियली लव वॉचिंग हम साथ साथ है, कभी खुशी कभी गम. और सॉन्ग तो मुझे हर तरह के गाने अच्छे लगते हैं. तो कोई फेवरेट सॉन्ग नहीं है मतलब.
There is one fan who sees your photo every day before he goes to sleep. You get him good dreams. That's the level of love, dude.
Wow.
That's
Thank
it.
you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, would you like to marry a Bengali guy? Is this for me or for you?
I think it's for you.
Doesn't matter, whoever.
मुझे मैटर नहीं करता. हाँ.
अच्छा इंसानों लड़कियों की रेस्पेक्ट करे, समझे, काफी है. खुद रहे, दूसरी को भी रहने दे.
Live
Okay.
and let live.
Yeah, live and let live. As long as the person is like that, I don't have any issue. Okay, Sana, what's the meaning of your name?
Yes, I can see whatever you're typing. Avi Shah. What is the meaning of my name?
Yeah.
यही सेम सवाल किसी ने मुझे कल पूछा, like someone I know, कि सना का मतलब क्या है.